Radar bullets is a useful topic who want to say in technical seminar. Here is a PPT of radar bullets. This is the latest topic for electronic students. And here in contents, we are going to see what is landmine, methods used for landmine detection, what is a radar bullet, principle of radar, working of radar bullet, and about magnetic flux compression, advantages and disadvantages of radar bullets, and finally how we can use radar bullets in future. Introduction. Landmines are very dangerous explosives which are used in wars. Countries like Afghanistan, Iraq, Bosnia, etc. are the victims of these landmines. Around 20,000 people die every year due to the landmine effects, and 80 countries are facing these landmine problems. Implanted landmines has to be detected and diffused properly, otherwise there will be a loss of human life. And what is landmine? Landmine is an explosive device which is used to disable, immobilize or kill. It is activated either by person or by vehicle or by electric wire or radio signal. Most landmines are laid on just below the surface of ground and are activated by pressure. There are two types of landmines, anti-personnel and tank mines. Anti-personnel mines are activated by force of a person, and tank mines will be activated by force of the vehicle. Methods used for landmine detection. Metal detection, explosive or biological detection, and radar bullet. Metal detection. Metal detector is used to detect the metal piece, that is metal landmines, and explosive or biological detection is that dogs and rats are used to detect the landmines because their nose acts as a sensor to detect the target. Here target is nothing but landmine. But these two methods need human to operate it, which is dangerous for human and animal life. So we are using radar bullet. What is radar bullet and how it is useful rather than metal and biological explosion detection? So radar bullet is a special type of bullet which is used to detect the landmine without human stepping on the ground. This is the internal structure of the radar bullet, and this consists of a special bullet which is fired into the ground from a helicopter. This is designed in such a way that it gives a powerful blast of radio waves from under the ground. So when the pulse strikes the mine, it gives the images available on the computer in the helicopter, offering a safe and efficient way of finding landmines. So no need of any human or animal to detect the landmines. Directly the bullet penetrates deep into the ground and gives the display of the radar landmines. Coming to radar principle. This is the antenna. It transmits the electromagnetic energy pulses through transmitter and hits the target, reflects back the echo signals. This is the basic radar principle on which radar bullets is going to work and detect the landmines. So the distance of landmines is measured by the distance of transmission and reception time. The difference of time between transmission of signal and reception of signal is counted and calculated to find the distance of landmines. By maximum unambiguous range, that is R equal to Ct by 2, we can calculate the distance of landmines. Here comes the block diagram. In the transmitter section, there is impulse generator, and in receiver section, there is pulse extender, analog to digital converter, processor, and visual display. Working of radar bullet. How a radar bullet works. From a helicopter which is above 100 meters from the ground, when the bullet is fired, it releases or transmits the radar pulses deep into the ground, and it displays the landmines present after refracting on the computer which is present on helicopter. This is the display of landmines present within the distance of 15 meters. So it works on the radar principle. It penetrates down, that is, it transmits the radar pulses, hits the ground, and reflects the signal, that is detection of landmines on the computer which is present in helicopter. And detection is completed. How it will destroy the landmines? By using magnetic flux compression principle. So what is magnetic flux compression? This is the internal structure of the bullet. Here it is a conducting cylinder which is wounded by the magnetic coil. So whenever the bullet is fired from a gun, it goes deep into the ground with the release of radar pulses, and when it hits the ground, the cylinder will come out of the bullet and release large amount of current. This will lead to the release of large amount of radiations which are used to destroy the landmines. This is the principle of working of radar bullet, that is magnetic flux compression. Here comes the advantages. The lightweight, that is a gun, computer, these are all lightweight and can be fitted into any helicopter. And small size of bullets is very useful and very convenient, uses low power consumption and transmission. Disadvantages: it does not detect plastic landmines. And major disadvantage is that the equipment is mounted on helicopter, so the cost of operation is higher. Applications: as we have discussed, it is used in detection of landmines. It can also be used to detect the illegal pipelines, mostly used in army for nation security. Future prospects: in future we can also use in the detection of mineral deposits, oil deposits and other deposits which is present on other planets even. And even mass graveyards in civil wars can be detected by radar bullets. Conclusion: with all its advantages, it may be hoped that mine detection using radar bullets will be more used in detection of mines, thereby making the world a safer place to live in. This is the entire PPT of radar bullets. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos which are very useful for BTech or any graduation students. This is the latest technical seminar topic. You can take the screenshots of the points which you find it important. As we know, this equipment mainly consists of transmitter, receiver, antenna and display.